Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are fit and fine, and I hope you can hear me well. I have not turned on the fan because I am not totally fit today. I'm not physically healthy today, um, so I cannot raise my voice much, and this video is going to be very short because we have finished the chapter The Canterville Ghost by Oscar Wilde just recently, and I will revise just one or two questions that you wanted me to discuss. You informed me in live class as well as in mails. So those questions will be discussed only. And one more thing, today I have provided a file upload worksheet again. This is for the students who somehow forgot the process of file upload or something like that. So for I think almost 2 weeks we have been practicing the MCQ format that we did in before pre-half yearly examination also. So now again I have provided a file upload worksheet, and you need to write the answers that I have provided in the study material under homework section and upload them. Make a PDF or image, whatever you want, and upload them through that response sheet. Okay, and don't forget to upload or don't ignore it. Okay, the worksheet as well as the homework both are important. I have told you so many times. Okay, some students wanted to know why, according to the Canterville ghost, the Otis family members were rude. Okay, so the Otis family members, they never ever got frightened by that Canterville ghost, but for the Canterville ghost, it was his duty to frighten people, and he was very much concerned about his duties. Okay, he was a dutiful person. So when he found that whatever he did, that did not make any effect on those family members, rather they used to harass him in various ways, especially those Otis twins, he found it to be so rude. Okay, he found it he considered it to be an insult. That's why, and these reasons you have to write in an organized way, and thus you can answer this particular question. Okay, another thing, why did the Canterville ghost decide to visit the Otis twins? I'm sweating badly. I'm running. I'm down with high fever actually. Um, why did the Canterville ghost decide to visit the Otis twins? Here you can write in the beginning that according to the Canterville ghost, the Otis twins were so much insolent, but you can omit this sentence also. The thing that you must mention here, the incident of falling by through treading on the butter slide. Canterville ghost fell down because of treading on a butter slide that was constructed by the Otis twins. That you need to mention, you must mention, because this was the exact reason for which he became furious and he decided to prove his power, his dignity, his position, and that's why he decided to visit those Otis twins and to teach them a lesson. Okay, another thing, in Achilles, from the chapter Achilles, so quite a few students were asking why did the author give the tortoise a name like Achilles. See, any definite or any certain answer has not been provided in this particular text. The only thing that I could think of is that Achilles, the great Greek hero, he was vulnerable on his heel, right? And here, because it could not be dipped in the holy river of Styx, as his mother was holding him with his heel, and here you can find that the tortoise, he had a ribbon tied around his front legs, but this fact is common with all the 6 tortoises that the rose beetle man had. So I don't find this strong to be quite strong to establish this fact that this is why the rose beetle man gave the name Achilles to the tortoise. I don't find this is quite a strong point, but I didn't find any other point. If you have found anything, again I'm asking you to share with me in the live class. Okay, don't forget to share with me. If you have any other question, you ask me in the live class, I cannot explain anymore because we have already discussed these things, and the important questions from Canterville Ghost we have already discussed them, and I have provided them in the previous worksheets and study material when I was teaching this chapter for the first time. Even after that, if you face any problem in any question or in any portion, then do let me know in the live class. I asked you so many times if there is anything else that you want me to discuss, but I just received these questions only, nothing else. And the students who did not who could not who did not receive any answer, do remind me again. And maybe I have not received your message, that can be possible. Do remind me in the live class. Okay, for now, bye bye, we will meet in the live class. All right.